New at 5 tonight, that special commission that was formed after the tragedy at Sandy Hook, well, now they're about to make its formal recommendations.
Yeah, one of the things that panel will be calling for is requiring insurance companies to pay for certain mental health services. Our chief political correspondent Mark Davis joins us live now tonight with more. Mark?
Hi, Darren and Ann. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. Yeah, the mental health portion of this commission's recommendations, one of the big reasons why this process has taken so long. Whether or not the tragedy at Sandy Hook could have been prevented by some sort of mental health intervention for shooter Adam Lanza will never be known. It is known that he had mental health issues and that his mother did not fully pursue a course of treatment. That's why the Sandy Hook Commission has spent so much time on the mental health part of its recommendations.
One very important recommendation addresses how insurers and payers agree to pay for care.
The commission found that if a school kid, or anyone for that matter, needs mental health services, getting it covered can be a very big problem.
Through a process of denial of care based on medical necessity, there are questionable judgments that payers make because they have an interest financially in the outcome.
At the very instant that someone needs services, they need services. And so to go through a denial and an appeal adds a period of time that can be really dangerous.
There's no question that many services that already ought to be covered by federal law, the parity law, really aren't being covered.
So the commission will recommend that the legislature make that coverage mandatory by imposing a mandate for certain mental health coverage on the insurance companies and self-funded providers. The governor said today that he is aware of that recommendation and is considering how to propose it to the legislature. But the insurance companies are expected to fight this at the Capitol. But the commission chairman says everyone should think back to Sandy Hook, when everyone was saying, "What can I do?"
I think that the insurance companies are going to have that dialogue with themselves as well. It's important.
The final meeting and recommendations and final vote on the Sandy Hook Advisory Commission is expected to come 2 weeks from today. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.